Hello everyone, I'm Neha Goyal and the name of my subject is Childhood and Growing Up. The topic for today's discussion is development of gross and fine motor skills. Gross motor developmental chart. At 0 to 6 months of age, the child rolls over front to back and back to front, sits with support and then independently. Lack of proper development leads to poor muscle development and delayed ability to play independently. From 6 to 12 months of age, the child crawls forward, assumes a sitting position, transitions into different positions like sitting, lying on tummy, etc., pulls self to stand, walks while holding onto furniture, takes 2-3 steps without support, etc. Lack of proper development leads to delayed sensory development, poor muscle development, and delayed play skills. At around 18 months of age, the child is able to sit, crawl, and walk, has wide gait, but walking running is less clumsy, pushes against a ball. Delayed development leads to delayed play skills, difficulty interacting with the environment, poor muscle development. At around 2 years of age, the child is able to walk smoothly and turn corners, begins to run, is able to pull or carry a toy while walking, walks up and down the steps with support, picks up toys from the floor without falling over. Improper development leads to poor muscle development for running and jumping, delayed ability to play independently and interact with the environment, decreased ability to interact socially. At around 3 years of age, the child imitates standing on one foot, imitates simple bilateral movements of limbs, pedals on tricycle, walks up and down the stairs alternating feet, jumps in place with 2 feet together, able to walk on tiptoes, catches using body. Improper development leads to decreased opportunities for social interaction, poor development of body awareness and movement planning skills, difficulty using playground equipment, difficulty or lack of confidence interacting with other children in active environment. At 4 years of age, the child is able to stand on one foot for up to around 5 seconds, kick a ball forward, throw a ball over arm, run around obstacles, able to walk on a line, able to hop on one foot, jump over objects, etc. Improper development leads to lack of confidence in movement-based activities, difficulty in using playground equipment, difficulty or lack of confidence interacting with other children in active environment. At around 5 years of age, the child is able to walk upstairs while holding an object, walk backward, jump forward 10 times without falling, skip forward, step forward with leg on same side, catch a small ball using hands only. Improper development may result in poor self-esteem when comparing self to peers, lack of confidence in movement-based activities, difficulties in participating in sporting activities, difficulty playing with moving toys like bikes and scooters. And at around 6 years of age, the child runs slightly on toes, is able to walk on a balance beam, able to skip using a skipping rope, can cover 2 meters hopping, demonstrate mature throwing and catching, mature jumping. Improper development may lead to difficulty in participating in sporting activities, may result in poor self-esteem when comparing self to peers, lack of confidence in movement-based activities. Now, fine motor developmental chart. Around 0 to 6 months of age, the child has reflexive grasp and at birth, voluntary grasp at 3 months, two-handed palmer grasp at 3 months, one-handed palmer grasp at 5 months, controlled reach at 6 months. Improper development may lead to poor muscle development, delayed ability to play independently, delayed sensory development due to delayed interaction with toys, etc. At around 6 to 12 months of age, the child reaches, grasps, puts objects in mouth, controlled release of objects, pincer grasp has developed, transfers object from one hand to the other. Poor development may result in poor development of hand and finger strength, poor manipulation of objects resulting in delayed play skills, delayed sensory development due to lack of sensory play experiences. At around 1 to 2 years of age, the child is able to build tower of 3 small blocks, turn pages, turns knobs, self-feeds with minimal assistance, able to use signing to communicate, hold and drink from cup independently. Improper development leads to poor development of hand and finger strength, delayed independent play skills, delayed development of self-care skills like eating, delayed manipulation skills. At around 2 to 3 years of age, the child turns single pages, snips with scissors, uses one hand consistently in most activities, imitates circular, vertical, horizontal strokes, paints with wrist action, eats without assistance. Improper development leads to delayed self-care skills like eating, delayed pre-writing skills development, delayed manipulation of small objects like toys, pencils, scissors, frustration when manipulating small toys and objects. At 3 to 4 years of age, the child is able to build tower of 9 small blocks, manipulates clay material, uses non-dominant hand to assist and stabilize the use of object. Improper development leads to delayed pre-writing skills development, frustration or avoidance of pencil-based tasks, poor pencil grasp and pencil control, poor self-care skills like eating, delayed drawing skills. At around 4 to 5 years of age, the child cuts on line continuously, writes name, writes number from 1 to 5, handedness well established, dresses and undresses independently. Improper development leads to difficulties holding and manipulating a pencil, difficulties learning to write name and other letters of the alphabets, frustration or avoidance of pencil-based tasks. At around 5 to 6 years of age, the child cuts out simple shapes, copies triangles, colors within the lines, uses a three-fingered grasp of pencil and uses finger to generate movements, pastes and glues appropriately. Improper development leads to difficulties learning to form letters correctly, poor handwriting, difficulty demonstrating academic ability, fatigue during pencil-based tasks, frustration or avoidance of pencil-based tasks. At around 6 to 7 years of age, forms most letter and numbers correctly, writes consistently on the lines, good endurance for writing, can build Lego and other blocks independently, is able to tie shoelaces. Improper development leads to difficulties getting ideas down on paper, experiencing fatigue during handwriting tasks, difficulty keeping up in class due to slow handwriting speed, poor legibility of handwriting, may impact self-esteem, possible frustration due to avoidance of pencil-based tasks. And at 7 to 8 years of age, child maintains legibility of handwriting for entirety of a story. Improper development leads to difficulty completing handwriting tasks in a timely manner, experiencing fatigue during handwriting tasks, poor academic achievement, difficulties due to avoidance of pencil-based tasks. Thank you.